तुम लोग को थोड़ी बताऊंगी.
मुझे तो बता देना ना.
Yeah, I'll send you a picture.
Yeah, lovely.
But only if he's proposing me, then I'll wear this. I'm gonna wear a proper red maroon lehenga on my wedding. I want to be a proper dulhania. They clearly don't care about the clothes, both the boys. They're so bad. दोनों का fashion sense zero है.
You have to rush for a dinner with your friends.
Okay.
What would you grab for a quick wear? शादी कब है? करने का कोई plan है?
I will let you know soon. Hi, this is Isha Singh and today I'm gonna give you fashion fix for every situation in life. Watch it.
If there's one person whose fashion on Bigg Boss was also a huge talking point, it is Isha. And today, आपको हम challenge देने वाले हैं.
Okay.
I know we love your fashion,
How
but there's a
sweet.
challenge.
Okay.
It's called.
I don't
this
like
show is-
challenges.
But this is going to be a fun challenge.
Okay.
This show is a brand new show on my channel, Nayansens. It's called Myntra Presents Fashion Fix.
Fashion fix.
Yeah, so you have to actually give fashion fixes for your audience. So situations दूंगा मैं, 6 different situations.
Okay.
There is an array of clothes from Myntra that we have.
Yeah.
You have accessories here.
Okay.
You have bags there. Shoes आपके size मुझे पता नहीं था तो मैं लेके नहीं आ पाया.
कोई
But
बात
actually वो
नहीं.
दिख नहीं रहा है. So you can, if you want to tell them that these are the shoes I would have picked, maybe stilettos, maybe sneakers, you can say that.
ठीक है.
Otherwise, you have to pick one outfit, how you would style yourself for
Okay,
those
perfect.
situations. Okay?
Nice.
First situation. You are already at a friend's place for a sleepover.
Okay.
Suddenly you get a call saying that you have an urgent meeting with a producer next morning. You are very much away from home and you don't have time to go back and change. What would you pick from your friend's wardrobe?
From my friend's wardrobe,
Yeah, suppose this is the wardrobe, then what would you pick for the meeting?
I think this. It's a nice green dress. It's cool. It's giving a nice casual vibe. And I love this color. And I'm gonna take this home also.
या ये
That's-
बोला गया है मुझे कि ये सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है और ये मैं घर लेके जा रही हूँ.
इसी शर्त पे कर रही हूँ मैं. But I would just wear this and nice black shades. This.
Ooh.
Yeah,
And
that's
what
it.
kind of shoes would you wear? Like you are a shoes person.
I am a shoes person. I would go with see this. I can go with nice sneakers or maybe cool chappals also. I think sneakers because I can
Sneakers.
pull that look pretty much.
But
well.
what color sneakers would you wear? White or
I think white.
White.
White. Yeah, white.
So
It
this
looks
is
nice.
that one look
Yeah.
which will go.
I love this.
This I'm gonna Myntra.
Thank
Please send
you,
it to
I
her
love
in her
you.
size.
It's my size only.
This is your size?
It is excess.
Oh, lovely.
We're taking this home.
Neki or pooch pooch. Situation number 2.
Yeah.
Okay. You get terribly late at shoot.
Okay.
Do you usually get terribly late
Yeah.
at shoot or for
Yeah,
shoots?
yeah.
Okay, great. You have to rush for a dinner with your friends.
Okay.
What would you grab for a quick wear?
I love this dress. I know it's a very much date night outfit.
Option आने वाला था date
नहीं
night
तो
का,
नहीं
but
ये
ठीक
date
है.
night के लिए.
अच्छा.
It is not this. With friends I'm going ना.
हाँ, friends.
I'll just wear this.
Yeah.
It's a cool, nice jumpsuit. And with friends, you can be casual, you can be cool and chill. It's comfortable also because you're gonna eat a lot, so your tummy should not really pop out. So I think it's gonna be comfortable, cool, and it's fine for dinner. You can also wear it for some sundowner, this thing, but I think I'll wear it for dinner. With no, with these.
Ooh, I like it.
And I can wear nice bluish or nude heels, stilettos. I think it will just go well. Because
But-
neck covered has so nice, maybe a pony or something and nice these hoops. Yeah.
Do you like onesies and jumpsuits a lot?
I like onesies and jumpsuits.
Because you picked both jumpsuits, if I'm
Jumpsuits,
not.
Yeah.
Yeah, even I love jumpsuits.
Hai na?
Are like the green one is something that even I liked the
Yeah,
most.
its collection is so cool. I'm gonna take 2 outfits today.
Done. Situation number 3.
Okay.
You're meeting Avinash and Vivian for another coffee session.
Okay.
You're feeling too lazy to wear anything high end. What would you pick?
Hands down this. It's a very cool court set. मेरा इस पे भी दिल आया हुआ है and I'm somebody who loves court sets. I think people who know me, they know कि I love sneakers, court sets and maybe no accessories sometimes. Just tie your hair up or leave them open. I'll just wear this because it's gonna be a nice alti-palti talking sessions with both of them. So I want to be chill and not care about my clothes because they clearly don't care about the clothes. Both the boys, they're so bad. दोनों का fashion sense zero है.
Huh?
बहुत गंदा है.
You know, I had told Avinash, do you want a jacket? I have
उसके
promised
साथ segment मत करना कभी.
I have promised him that I'm gonna style him for one of the
I
segments.
styled him for one of the events or something. I styled him. And मैंने
Really?
अच्छा style किया था यार.
What did you make him wear?
A nice beige pants and green t-shirt. Yeah.
Oh wow, love it. Situation number 4. You are meeting your boyfriend for a dinner date that he has planned. What would you be your go-to look? I knew it.
I love red. I love backless. So I think this, hands down this.
You
And
know-
you can make a nice bow out of it. So cute.
और मैंने decision क्या लिया है पता है? कि
Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so sorry, I'm not listening to you. It's so nice and flowing. Oh, मुझे बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं भी ले जाएगा तो मैं खुद पहन के जाऊंगी. दूसरे कपड़े गिरा दिया मैंने. Never mind, I'm
That's
clumsy.
okay.
It is so pretty. The clothes make me very happy.
I think we should gift Isha this one to understand वो किसके साथ पहन के ये जा रही है.
तुम लोग को थोड़ी बताओगी.
मुझे तो बता देना ना.
Yeah, I'll send you a picture.
Yeah, lovely. Done.
But only if he's proposing me, then I'll wear this.
How would you know if it's a surprise
Oh
proposal?
shit, yeah, but so pretty.
I will plan it with
ठीक है,
whoever
done.
would be your.
I'll let you know.
Would you
whoever
take a
it is.
bag with this? Would you like
No, I don't.
accessories? Oh, you don't like
I
accessorizing
like.
so much.
Yeah, I don't like accessorizing so much. Though I love accessories, but with this I will just wear. What do you suggest, man?
With that,
Not this. Definitely not this.
I think this.
This.
No.
Yeah. With
Even
that.
even this would.
No, it's
Yeah.
With that, actually, it's right.
This would
Maybe
go.
some studs and this. It will give a nice
Yeah. It'll
chic.
balance the
balance
look.
the
also.
look.
I love it. I love it. Situation number 5. You're doing a 9 to 9 shift
Okay.
that got extended till 11. Does it sound?
Very familiar. Yeah. Always.
But you have to make a last minute appearance at a fashion event. You have to pick something that's easy to wear yet glam.
Easy to wear yet glam. इसके
Ooh.
नीचे क्या है?
There's a ganji, I think.
There's a ganji,
Tank
but we can
top.
style with nice white trousers, loose trousers. You know, जो आजकल grandpa pants चल रहे हैं, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं वो. वो है nice stilettos again.
Ooh, lovely.
Gold, yeah. Yes.
What color stilettos would you take?
Anything which has bling.
Would you take any of the bags with this or?
Oh, I can take this one. No,
Yeah, this one would look.
this one will look nice.
है ना?
Because contrast है ना, it will look nice.
Yeah.
And I can wear some nice dark shade lipstick and trousers, stilettos, nice blingy and this. It will look cool.
Done.
Bro,
Okay.
कुछ भी पहनो, confidence से पहनो, it will look nice.
Absolutely, I agree, man. I agree. Situation number 6.
Okay.
You're planning a surprise birthday for Avinash with his family, your family, and friends. What would be the dress code that you decide for everybody? And going with that dress code, what would you wear?
Dress code.
Yeah. तुमने
I
invite
think
किया ना
he likes formals. He's a very
Formals?
semi-formal,
for
yeah.
a birthday. You will call people.
But it's his birthday, na? It's not my
Acha.
birthday. No, I think dress code's gonna be all black.
I was thinking.
All black because black is his favorite color.
Yeah.
He likes black, and I'm gonna just wear this. It's again a jumpsuit, but it has belt. It's cool.
And मुझे लगता है ईशा सबसे पहले आके सबसे पहले जो पसंद किया था
यही किया था मैंने. I
And-
like belts. I like ऐसे comfy कपड़ाs.
Yeah, it's so nice.
It's
also.
so
This one is-
nice, and I love the color combination of it. So everybody's gonna be in pure black. I'm gonna wear this because
Ooh, just
why not?
why not?
It's a friend's birthday party, so
Why
I think
not?
it's. And I can also wear these earrings with this because belt का ये buckle is golden. So this.
Lovely.
Cool,
I
no?
like it. I love it. And with sneakers or with
No sneakers. I'll wear nice heels, black heels.
lovely.
इसको sorry ऐसे रख रही हूँ.
No problem. वो बार-बार गिर रहा है. Okay. Last situation.
Oh,
It's the Mumbai rains, but you have a launch of your next music video. Weather forecast predicts heavy rainfall.
okay.
How would you style yourself, which is safe yet fashionable?
Heavy rainfall. कपड़े तो गंदे होंगे. You should just wear something nice. This, again, full black, but I like waistcoats a lot, of course. And it's a very dress kind of thing. I can't figure out ये क्या है. वो इसमें attached है. Wow, how
It is
cool
attached.
is that? So it will basically give you a very skirt and waistcoat look, but it can also give you a dress with waistcoat look. So I think this, also it is not touching the floor, तो कीचड़ में गंदा नहीं होगा बारिश में. You can wear it with nice pumps, maybe contrast color, maybe black, whatever you like. Do whatever you like, man. So, but I'm gonna wear this. मुझे ये भी बहुत पसंद है. And I'm gonna wear these maybe. It might
Very
look. It look nice.
It will look amazing.
It will look nice.
Black
Because
and red
black
is
and red.
like a classic
Evergreen.
combination.
So this.
Lovely. I think you have given quite a few fashion fixes to people. Also, majorly, I agree with many of the things that you have picked. कुछ situations में तो मुझे पता था कि वही वाला pick होगा.
You know me, Anand.
Yeah. But then quickly we'll do
Okay.
to understand your sense of fashion.
Okay.
Would you rather?
Okay.
Would you rather wear neon outfits every day or dress in black and white forever?
Black and white forever.
Okay. Be overtly dressed, as in over the top, or be minimal to a glam event.
Minimal to a glam event.
We saw that. Wear runway outfit to a grocery store or a casual outfit to a gala.
Casual outfit to a gala.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you can do the runway outfit to a grocery store also.
Yeah, I'm very much capable of doing that. I was just being sober.
Yeah. Wear a leather jacket in summer or a puffer jacket in peak summer.
Leather jacket.
In summer.
Yeah, leather jacket. I love. I
kept-
know. I so wanted to use this one because I like it. I think for Avinash's birthday, I can do this also
Yeah.
because he likes leathers also.
Yeah. He likes
Haan.
leather a lot. Wear a top ulta or mismatched shoes to an event.
I always wear top ulta. I have done this so many times. You have no idea. मैंने कितनी बार jackets उल्टी पहनी है, top उल्टा पहना हुआ है.
पर वो क्या बोलते हैं पता है कि जब उल्टा पहनते हो आप तो that's मेरी मम्मी बोलती है कि अगर गलती से पहन लिया तो नए आते हैं कपड़े.
Oh, that is why मेरी wardrobe का वहाँ आज भी शायद पहना होगा मैंने because I'm gonna take some clothes, these beautiful clothes.
Okay, the next one. Wear a mismatched outfit
हाँ.
for a week or the same outfit for a month.
Mismatched outfit for a week.
Mismatched
हाँ, चल जाएगा. अच्छा लगता है mismatched भी कई बार.
Wear a stunning lehenga, heavily embroidered, or a comfortable sari at your wedding.
No, I want to go all out on my wedding. I want to be a proper dulhani. I want to wear heavy lehenga, 80 kilo ka, can't pick up, can't walk, but I'll wear it.
What color would you love?
Maroon. I want it to be red or maroon. I can't go with pastels on my wedding, and I'm very sure, no matter it is out of trend, out of fashion, no fashion, I'm gonna wear a proper red maroon lehenga on my wedding. I want to be a proper दुल्हनिया और हमारे यहाँ लाल ही पहनते हैं.
And शादी कब है? करने का कोई plan है?
I will let you know soon.
I better be invited
Of course.
and I better be dancing at your
लड़का
Sunday.
मिल नहीं रहा शादी
No, but I have to
कराओगे.
come from your side, remember
Of
that.
course.
Whoever it is, I'm coming from your
Done.
side. Oh my god. Wear sneakers or
फिर
stilettos.
चिटर्स आगे शादी कर सकते हो.
Wear sneakers or stilettos with your wedding ensemble.
Sneakers. I am such a sneaker person. I will wear sneakers. And you know, जब heavy लहंगा होता है, you can wear sneakers.
कोई
Nobody will know.
दिखेगा ही नहीं.
Just run away bright.
It's also the style right now.
Yeah,
A lot of
why
people are
not?
actually wearing it. Have your entire wardrobe in one color or never repeat an outfit.
Never repeat an outfit.
Dress like.
ये मैंने आंसर दिया था, शायद उल्टा दिया था तब मैंने.
हाँ.
कोई बात नहीं, चेंज हो गया अभी.
बट ठीक है.
Mood swing हो गया.
सिचुएशन के ऊपर है ना, ये
Situation,
दो ही
yeah.
सिचुएशन है. Dress like it's the 90s forever or the early 2000s forever.
90s forever. I love 90s fashion. तभी तो मैं बोल रही थी, I think that low waist jeans was 90. Though I don't, मैं तो पहन भी नहीं सकती, मोटू हूँ मैं. Low waist
What?
jeans. But I love those belts.
You have called yourself Motu. Too
Yeah,
much.
I'm bloated today. So, I mean, it's cute. खाते पीते घर
I
के.
have to like reduce it, but yeah.
Yeah, I've
There was
lost
a-
so much weight. अभी
There was
बोल
a
रही
point
थी.
I was size 0, like 26 inches was my waist. 24, 26 के बीच.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, हम
ठीक है,
खाते
अभी-
पीते घर के हो गए.
हाँ, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा खा रहा हूँ. But thank you so much. I hope you enjoy doing this segment as much as we. Because
loved
we
it.
need people who love fashion to do
I
this.
know, मैं तो
okay?
greedy भी हो गई थी ना, कपड़े लेकर जाऊंगी मैं. तो यहाँ
कपड़े
से.
आपको मिल जाएंगे क्योंकि मिंत्रा के ही है.
Thank you, Myntra.
And I think Myntra is going to be so happy with this episode that they are possibly ये green वाला.
I want this green, guys.
the quads
Myntra
वाला.
और वो quads जो गिर गया बस.
हाँ, वो quads.
And if you want to gift me that one, I'll take that one also.
हाँ, वही तो 3 मिंत्रा आप
Please.
And mango
I-
please. go send
मैं
it.
एड्रेस दे दूंगी अपना.
मेरे पास है. हमारे पास है. So thank you so
Thank
much.
you. It was so much fun. I swear, when I came, my stomach was hurting. I was feeling this. I'm feeling this now.
I'm so
Thank
happy.
you, yeah,
Thank
it's
you
so
again
nice.
for doing this.
Lots
Baba.
of love.
Celebrate every occasion. Shop for latest trends and styles only from Myntra.